people employment, someone is struggling to sack people. If there was an irregularity in their hiring, it was the duty of the Public Service Board to regularize. Otherwise, you cannot sack somebody who has been employed for permanent and pensionable the way they have sacked them. Remember, these people have families. You have caused them a lot of distress in terms of mental health. You have depressed them. Their families are in fear. They don't know the future. You know the economic situation right now, and you sack someone. That is inhuman. We never expected such a thing from a government led by a woman. Mama ambaye tunapenda mama sana. Wa mama tunawapenda sana. Wako na kitu kinaitwa, empathy. But the way they have sacked these people is empathetical. So I'm asking this government, as I prepare to take over in 2027, can you restore these people with immediate effect? We are aware that you people have even nominated members of county assembly, your family members in the county assembly. No one has questioned that because they are people from Nakuru, and we agreed. If you are employing your own people and we are not questioning, why are you sacking other people who are not related to you? We are even aware that all tenders in this county are awarded to a few families related to the people in government, very senior people in government. And we have evidence. We shall give the evidence when the time comes. All tenders. You ask any contractor in this county why he's not working, he tells you there's no job. Yet jobs are being awarded to families and friends. This should stop with immediate effect.